Just Video Walls. Consultation. Just Video Walls can help you determine the best microLED video wall solution for your needs. They will consider factors such as your budget, space requirements, and desired use case. Design. Just Video Walls can create a custom design for your microLED video wall. They will take into account your specific needs and preferences to create a wall that is both visually stunning and functional. Installation. Just Video Walls has a team of experienced technicians who can install your microLED video wall quickly and efficiently. They will work with you to ensure that the wall is installed correctly and that it meets your expectations. Support. Just Video Walls offers ongoing support for your microLED video wall. They can help you with troubleshooting, maintenance, and updates. Just Video Walls is a leading provider of microLED video walls. They have a team of experts who can help you create the perfect video wall for your needs. Expertise. Just Video Walls has a deep understanding of microLED technology. They can help you choose the right products and services for your needs. Home Automated Laundry Rack Systems. These systems are designed to make laundry day easier. They automatically raise and lower the laundry rack, so you don't have to bend over or reach to hang or remove your clothes. The racks also have a built-in drying function, so you can dry your clothes indoors without having to use a clothesline or dryer. Water Purifiers. These purifiers are designed to remove impurities from your water, such as chlorine, lead, and bacteria. They provide clean, safe drinking water for your home. Home's products are designed to be energy-saving, elderly-friendly, safe, durable, and easy to operate. The company is committed to providing high-quality products and excellent customer service. Convenience. Home's products can make your life easier and more convenient. Energy efficiency. The company's products are designed to be energy-saving, which can help you save money on your utility bills. Safety. Home's products are designed to be safe for you and your family. Durability. The company's products are built to last. Ease of use. Ori Expandable. Ori Living is a company that designs and manufactures transformable furniture and expandable apartments. Their products are designed to help people live in smaller spaces without sacrificing comfort or functionality. Ori's flagship product is the Ori Cloud Bed, a Murphy bed that can be hidden away when not in use. This frees up space in the living area for other activities, such as working, socializing, or relaxing. The cloud bed also has a built-in desk and shelves, which can be used for storage or as a workspace. Ori Pocket Closet. This closet can be hidden away when not in use, freeing up space in the bedroom. Ori Pocket Office. This office can be hidden away when not in use, freeing up space in the living area. Ori Studio Suite. This is a complete apartment that can be transformed from a studio to a one-bedroom apartment in just 30 seconds. Ori's expandable apartments are designed to be used in a variety of settings, including apartments, condos, and hotels. They are also a good option for people. Sauberair FLAT. The Sauberair FLAT is a wall-mounted air purifier that is designed to be both stylish and effective. It is the world's thinnest air purifier, measuring just 9 centimeters, 3.5 inches, thick. It is also one of the most effective air purifiers on the market, removing up to 99.9% of harmful particles from the air, including PM2.5, PM10, VOx, and odors. Pre-filter. The pre-filter captures large particles, such as dust and pet dander. Activated carbon filter. The activated carbon filter removes odors and VOx. HEPA filter. The HEPA filter removes 99.97% of particles, as small as 0.3 microns, including PM2.5, PM10, and viruses. Smart sensors. The Sauberair FLAT has built-in smart sensors that can detect PM2.5, PM10, CO2, humidity, temperature. Windmill. A windmill is a structure that converts wind energy into rotational energy by means of vanes called sails or blades, traditionally to mill grain, grist mills, but in some parts of the English-speaking world, the term has also been extended to encompass wind pumps, wind turbines, and other applications. Windmills have been used for centuries to harness the power of the wind. The earliest known windmills were developed in Persia in the 7th century AD. They were quickly adopted in other parts of the world, including Europe, China, and the Middle East. Windmills were used for a variety of purposes, but they were most commonly used to grind grain. They were also used to pump water, saw wood, and power other machinery. Windmills were an important source of power for centuries. They helped to power the Industrial Revolution and played a vital role in the development of many countries. Today, windmills are still used in some parts of the world, but they have been largely replaced by more efficient sources of power, such as steam engines, electricity, and gasoline. Magicblock. Magicblock is an open-source framework for building on-chain games on Solana. It is designed to make it easy for developers to create games that are composable, user-friendly, and secure. Unity SDK. The Magicblock Unity SDK makes it easy to develop games for the Solana blockchain using the Unity game engine. Solana SDK. The Magicblock Solana SDK provides a low-level API for interacting with the Solana blockchain. Anchor. Magicblock supports Anchor, a framework for developing Solana programs. Metaplex. Magicblock supports Metaplex, a standard for non-fungible tokens, NFTs, on Solana. Magicblock is still under development, but it has already been used to create a number of popular games. SunRoof. A sunroof is an optional transparent panel in the roof of a vehicle that can be opened and closed. Sunroofs are typically made of glass or plastic and can be either manual or power-operated. They are often tinted to block out some of the sun's rays and reduce heat gain. Pop-up sunroofs. These sunroofs raise up and out of the roof when opened. They are the most common type of sunroof. Sliding sunroofs. These sunroofs slide fore and aft to open and close. They are typically found on larger vehicles. Fixed sunroofs. These sunroofs do not open, but they do allow light into the vehicle. They are often found on convertibles and other vehicles with open-air designs. Increased natural light. Sunroofs can let in a lot of natural light, which can make the interior of a vehicle feel more spacious and open. Improved ventilation. Sunroofs can help to improve ventilation in a vehicle, especially when the air conditioning is on. Enhanced driving experience. Some people find that sunroofs can make the driving experience more enjoyable, especially on scenic drives. Increased cost. Sunroofs can add to the cost of a vehicle. Solarzaun. Solarzaun is a photovoltaic fence that combines power generation with privacy and security. It is a unique and innovative product that can help you save money on your energy bills while also enhancing the security of your property. Solarzaun panels are made up of high-efficiency solar cells that convert sunlight into electricity. The electricity generated by the panels can be used to power your home or business, or it can be sold back to the grid. In addition to generating electricity, Solarzaun panels also provide privacy and security. The panels are opaque, so they can block out prying eyes and help to deter intruders. The panels are also made of durable materials that can withstand the elements. Save money on your energy bills. Solarzaun can help you save money on your energy bills by generating your own electricity. Increase your property value. Solarzaun can increase the value of your property by making it more energy efficient and attractive. Protect your privacy. Solarzaun panels can block out prying eyes and help to deter intruders. Support renewable energy.